Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to study English Literature Lesson 4 Marching to Freedom. It is written by Subhadra Sen Gupta. This is the part 1 of this lesson. So children, before we go into the lesson, I would like to ask you, who is the greatest leader of our country? Alright, see the image. He is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call Mahatma Gandhi. We also call him Bapu, and he is the father of nation. Now, what did he do for us, and why is he called the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi was the most famous leader who fought for our independence. He led many protests against the British to get independence for India. Protest means, children, it means an action expressing disapproval or objection to something. One of his most famous protests was the Great Salt March, also known as Dandi March. Salt March was direct action campaign of tax resistance and non-violent protest against British salt laws. Children, Britishers used to collect taxes from Indians for salt, although it was our resources. So children, see the path of Dandi March on map of Gujarat. Gandhiji started his Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram with 79 of their volunteers on 12th of March 1930. He took 24 days and marched 388 km to reach Dandi on 6th of April 1930. He broke British Raj salt laws. So children, this chapter is about a boy Dhani who lived at Sabarmati Ashram, from where Gandhiji started his marching. He lived with his parents in Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram, that is situated in Gujarat. Dhani used to take care of Bini, one of his ashram's goats. Bini was his best friend and he liked talking to her. The ashram had become very noisy and full of activity in the past few days. Do you know why? Because they were planning for Dandi March, but Dhani was not aware. Dhani knew something exciting was being planned at the ashram. That morning, as Dhani fed Bini, he said, Something is going on, Binny. They all keep discussing something. They are planning something. I know it. Dhani was talking to his goat and he was so curious to know about the plan of Dandi March. So children, in the next video we will see how Dhani came to know about the plan and what he did. Thank you.